The world is changing fast. These changes inevitably affect how we live our daily lives, the way we communicate with each other, the way we get from one place to another, where we stay when we travel, and how we spend our money. Innovations in technology are making our way of life more convenient by being able to get things done faster, more efficiently, and in a more secure way. Technology has infiltrated every area of our lives. The most significant change taking place now is with our money, how we get it, where we keep it, and how we spend it. You've heard the saying, cash is king. Cash is no longer king because it's no longer the most popular method of payment. We've seen cash become less and less popular since the time when people started using checks to pay for stuff. This quickly evolved into using debit and credit cards. Then suddenly, our world got hit with a digital revolution where everything went online. Sending mail was replaced by sending emails. We went from going to the library to just using Google. In the last 15 years, technology has heavily influenced the way we live our lives, more than any other period in history. This digital revolution has now also taken over the world of money. It started with online payment services like PayPal or sending bank transfers using your phone or computer. Then we can make wireless payments with services like Apple Pay and Samsung Pay, where you could take your smartphone and literally tap it at the register to buy what you want.